Guys, it's me again, Ghoulie, one of your favorite guys ever. Anyways, today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I eat. Really quick shout out, really quick, to Iron Shoulder, Iron Soldier 41. He's a good friend of mine on the Xbox Live. Anyways, today what I'm gonna show you is how I eat. What I have to eat is I'm gonna eat these two little Twinkie chocolate covered bars. I'm gonna eat 3 grapefruits. I'm gonna eat, I already ate one of these. It's a special K thing, right? I already ate one, but I might want another one. And in the kitchen I have some seaweed chips. They're pretty good. Anyways, here I go. Alright, here's the first chocolate Twinkie. Iron Shoulder. Iron Soldier 41. They're talking to me online right now. One down, one to go. One and a half down, half more to go. Yummy, 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 yummy. Hey, I hate you. Grapefruit, guys. I got a grapefruit finger, guys. I got a grapefruit finger, Cameron. Fudge you. Oh, wow. Anyways, guys, this here's my grapefruit. I know I'm not talking much. It's because I was enjoying that Twinkie thing. This here's my grapefruit. I'm peeling it. Peeling. Okay, it's still peeling. I'm sorry. I'm still peeling. Alright, here we go. Hold on. Almost done peeling it. Yes. Oh, you can smell the citrus. It's so indulging. Alright. Alright. Look good. Okay. Let me get my trash bag really quick. I suck at life if I have to make videos of me eating. That was good. Woman! Okay. Here's my third little slice. It's delicious. Hey, Nola Boy for Life. Do you want me to make a quick shout out to you? I'm going to make a quick shout out right now to Nola Boy for Life. He's a guy I just met on Xbox Live. He's friends with Iron Soldier that became friends with me. And he's listening to everything I'm saying while I'm making the video. So while I'm making the video, he can hear everything I'm saying that I'm saying to you that's already pre-recorded. Stuff's delicious. You know what? Fudge it. Oh. So good. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Yeah. Mmm. Okay, my last piece. Mmm. A cheese. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, there you go, guys. I'm not gonna eat anymore. I'm kind of full. I thought I was gonna be able to eat some of the seaweed wraps, or not the seaweed wraps, but the seaweed chips or whatever, right? I can't. That was just too crazy. I think I ate too fast. I think I just got a headache. I was over. Forget it. I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Something like that. Oh, I love you guys. Fuck.